Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: battery above 50% or plugged in, a recent backup to iCloud or your computer, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. The device will check for the latest iOS. Once it finds an update, tap Download and Install. Make sure to read any prompts about data and encryption. This first move starts the download and prepares the system, so don't interrupt power or network while files transfer. Once the download begins, monitor progress in Settings so you know when the package is ready to install. You may need to accept updated terms, then authenticate with your passcode or Apple ID. This proves ownership and allows system changes. The phone or tablet will verify the download integrity and prepare the update. This can take several minutes. Make sure apps aren't force closing. Once preparation finishes, the device schedules a restart. If you want to delay, use Install Tonight or Remind Me Later, but plan for you'll allow the device to restart automatically. Keep it connected to power and wait through the update animation. Afterwards, follow on-screen steps to complete setup. This can include app updates, permissions prompts, and signing back into accounts. Once restored, verify settings. Right arrow General right arrow Software Update shows the new version. If the update fails, free up storage, reboot, and retry. If that doesn't work, use network settings, reset or connect to a computer, and use recovery mode to reinstall iOS. Those steps fix most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.